Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we simplify your HubSpot journey and help you get things done faster. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a payment link in HubSpot so you can get paid quickly and professionally without any hassle. Even if you're new to HubSpot, by the end of this video, you'll be able to generate a payment link in just a few clicks. Let's dive in. Access HubSpot Payments. First, log into your HubSpot account. From your dashboard, navigate to the Commerce tab and select Payments. This is where HubSpot lets you manage transactions, invoices, and payment links in one place. If you haven't set up payments yet, HubSpot will guide you through connecting your bank account or payment provider like Stripe. Create a new payment link. Once you're in the Payments section, click on Create Payment Link. HubSpot will open a simple form where you can add all the necessary details for your payment. Add payment details. Here's what you need to include. Payment name. Give your link a clear, descriptive name so you can easily track it. Amount. Set a fixed amount or allow your customer to enter their own. Currency. Choose the correct currency for your transaction. Description. Optional. Add a short description so your customer knows what the payment is for. Customize your link. HubSpot lets you customize your payment experience. You can collect additional information like email or company name. Set payment options such as one-time or recurring payments. Enable automated receipts for your customers. Generate and share the link. After filling out all the details, click Create Link. HubSpot will generate a unique link that you can copy and share via email, chat, or even embed on your website. The best part, you can track every payment made through this link directly in your HubSpot dashboard. Monitor and manage payments. Once your link is live, HubSpot provides a complete view of all transactions, including pending and completed payments. You can resend links, cancel them, or even create analytics reports to see which links perform best. And that's it. Creating a payment link in HubSpot is fast, simple, and completely professional. Now you can streamline your sales process and get paid without any friction. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more HubSpot tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.